Hello, everybody. I'll say stop. Please, perfect, and you also, just continue on. Ladies and gentlemen, King of Hearts, you are fantastic. And you know what? King of Hearts
Entonces, este rey de corazones
is a special
es una carta muy especial.
king for me. I invited
Sí, invité
this man into my heart.
a entrar en mi corazón.
And it changed my heart, my life completely. And it is a gift from God to you as well.
Es un regalo de Dios a todos.
And to all of you. Jesus, He died on the cross.
Sí,
He
Cristo
rose.
murió en la cruz.
And He is alive today.
Él está vivo.
Thank you very much. Give a hand.